Welcome everybody to Briefings. Today we are playing Star Trek Fleet Command the game, and we are going to showcase one of the most important tools you have in the game, STFC Statistics. You can go to stfc.pro. Kronox is the man that designed it. It is absolutely superb in every way possible. SDFC Statistics gives you everything you need when it comes to player statistics in every way. Have you ever wanted to know what your global rating, regional rating, server-based statistics for the game? Have you ever wanted to see as a player what you need? So they can look at player power, which is absolutely superb. You can look at your arena rating compared to everyone else. Imagine if you can show your player damage as well against all the others. It's also there. Power destroyed is also there, assessment rank as well to show where you've reached at in those Q trials, and players kills for those PvP superstars in the world. It's got loads of details, alliances helps, combat in hostiles killed and hostiles damaged, resources that shows the raided, and even the mined for you miners out there, so don't worry, you haven't been missed out. All the server stats that you need, all the events that are currently running, and the tools from all the other content creators around Star Trek Fleet Command the game. So let's dive in to everything that STFC Statistics does do. It has everything you need. Look at this. It shows you the player analytics of what everything is at the moment. From the power that, it is, from Beam being number 1 to Elcid being number 10. Shows the players by tier in all the regions. You can even separate it to APAC and to the EU, as well as the US and North America, to check out where everything is. This is a superb tool to give you all the tools that you need to see how that works out. It is sensational how it does it. You can see your content creators, and of course, you can join the Discord as well. But let me show you something quite interesting. So here we go, guys. Let's have a look at what goes on in SDFC Statistics. SDFC.pro, I'm going to go to players. I'm going to check my power, because that's the thing I see. I see all these amazing players at the top doing really well. The amazing part of how many players are playing the game, from the average power to highest power to even the average level in the game. It is incredible, the statistics and numbers that get mentioned here. Now, let's search for me. So here we go. Nigelrovers, right? The best thing is, not only can I click on myself, I instantly want to compare myself to a friend. So you can click on this tab, add to comparison, and find the person you want to compare yourself to. And there's only one person in the world that I like to compare myself to, and that is Jules Verne. Jules, you and I are going one-on-one on this, so let's see how we both do. And there it is. What a comparison that is between Jules Verne and me, Nigelrovers. Look at the powers and statistics. You could see what levels you're both at and what levels you're getting to. Jules is obviously beating me in power, but I am beating him in the regional rank. But he's beating me in the global rank and the level rank as well. The ratings show you the arena ratings between the two, and you could see that I absolutely dominate him in PvP style in every way possible. It's my only credit to the game to win. It shows my PvP combat rating, as well with the defeats and the players destroyed and ships destroyed, the PvE combat ratings, and the resources that we've done as well. It is a fantastic tool for all of this that you need in the game. But let me dive into a little bit more. What is really interesting, I want to click on my name. So let's click on me. This is where it gets really cool. The SDFC statistics, the players loadout. This is all the statistics I need to improve my game here in Star Trek Fleet Command. So it shows me my rankings, shows me power stats, the max power, the PvE combat, the resources I've raided, and it shows my alliance and what level I am doing in there as well, which I think is a terrific tool in the game. We move on to the alliance tournament. When you log in, it shows you all the details of what you're doing, and your score rating and what rating it's called, and I'm called superb, so thank you very much. In the power growth analysis, we are at the beginning of the month, so there hasn't been any growth yet in the first few days of August. However, look at the 7-day growth, the 30-day growth where it shows it's a slow progress, and then a 90-day growth where it shows a strong foundation. This is one of the key elements to SDFC.pro. It is an iconic setup where you can decide and check how your level is in the game and how you're moving up the ranks. And it shows you where you can get better, where you can look at your statistics, and where you can improve in this game. Remember, this game is all about strategy, decisions, planning. This site gives you everything of that and much more. When you click on alliances, this is another setup that's amazing. It shows the top alliances in the world. It shows exactly where everything sort of works with that, and this is what you strive to be and finding great alliances. Most of them have full stacked odds, but you can check your own depending on region, your VL group, your servers, your leagues, and your statuses. Have you ever wondered what VL group you're in? Well, you can check. Have you ever wondered how you refer to all the servers? Yes, you can. And even all the leagues in Alliance Tournament. It is a superb tool for everything you need to make that happen. And this is why it's the site to go to. Here we go, guys. And now in STFC Statistics, it's got a magnificent events bundle. This is the event, Incursions and Tournament. Let's look at Incursions first. You click on Incursions, it shows you an incredible overview of every battle that there ever is. And the first thing I do is I search for the servers. And I go, server 155, that is my server. I double click on that and see the incredible battle we had, Wood 138. Look at all the detail you can get from the amount of players that got involved and the amount of players on either side, the alliances that are available either side. Look at the evenness of that in a choice. An amazing graph that shows you through the journey of the battle and the stories you can tell as you sit around a fire and dine on it beautifully. And we move down to the MVPs, showing the best PvP spotlight over here and the players, the participation leaders, the score leaders, and everything that needs a back up from there. The Incursion breakdown goes in really exciting ways. It gives you all the details, your players, your alliances, and everyone needs to celebrate a win on SDFC Statistics. Oh yeah. Here we go, guys. We're going to look at events again. And this time, we're going to look at the Alliance Tournament. So you go to events, you click on Tournament, and look at this detail. It tells you everything in the Master League, the Expert League, the Adept League, and the Apprentice and Novice League. You can search all the regions and the players and the name of the alliances. And not only that, let me, search for a tag of name. Q is my alliance on server 155. Look how beautiful this has been put together by Chronox. It's superb. It gets me to my alliance. I can click on it. I can see all the detail I need. I can see the active tasks that be done. I can see the total score. Everything that is really important for you as a Commodore, an Admiral, and a runner of an alliance. You can see the scores that we've done and everything we did to achieve that. And that is another part of the website that gives you even more detail that nothing else can. That's why STFC Statistics is the site to go to at all times. STFC.pro is the place to go to with everything, and this is the most important platform to get you going in the game. So remember it, go to it, help them out, have a look, and the number one thing is support this wonderful content creator. And how do we do that? We can click to become a sponsor, and it gets you to a donate page here. So make sure you go and support Chronox, support the channel, and support everything that he does as a content creator. This is sensational, this is superb, and this is STFC Statistics. Live long, stay tuned until the next video. Goodbye.